Hey guys, today we will be doing Rainforest Tower by Spotted Friends with Melody. We are going to do the chill obby. We're doing a race to see who can reach the top first. Comment down below who will win. Let's go. Before we begin, please like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos. Before we continue, let me tell you about the app. I'm just kidding. Nobody sponsored this video, but what I need to say is, what happens from here and after? Things kinda went downhill.
$12 midnight. 3:28 a.m.
At this point, Melody told me she's done, so skip to 4:43 for the outro, if you want to. So guys, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Also, I need help making a name for you guys. Please help by commenting a name. And without further ado, Peace out.